Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Digit. Today I am going to take a science class for class 1 student. My dear students, let's start our class. Look at the board. Our today's topic, chapter 1, exercise in book, our lecture number 2 and our SW number 1. My dear students, let's start our class. At first, take your general science book and open chapter 1, page number 11. We will solve this exercise today. Okay, my dear students, let's start our class. Our today's topic, chapter 1, exercise. First chapter, our surrounding. Now we will solve this exercise today, and at first we will solve, choose the correct answer. Objective type question here, choose the correct answers. Number 1, everything around us makes up our dash. Everything around us makes up our dash. My dear students, here option number A, home, B, park, C, surrounding. My dear students, what will be the answer? Everything around us makes up our dash. My dear students, we have already learned from our chapter, everything around us makes up our surrounding. That means our first answer is option number C, surrounding. It will be surrounding. Okay, put a tick mark on option C. Okay, put a tick mark on option C. Our everything around us makes up our surrounding. That means C is our answer, proper answer. Now come to number 2. Our neighborhood is our dash. Our neighborhood is our dash. My dear students, here option A, house, option B, immediate surrounding, and option C, school. My dear students, what will be the answer? Our neighborhood is our dash. We have already learned this answer from our chapter. Here it will be our neighborhood is our immediate surrounding. Okay, then put a tick mark on option B. This is our correct answer. Our neighborhood is our immediate surrounding. Okay, my dear students, now come to fill in the blanks. Number B, fill up the blanks with the correct words from the text. Number 1, there are dash around our house. My dear students, what will be the answer? The answer will be, there are many things around our house. We have already learned from our chapter this answer. There are many things. Okay, write many things. Many things. Answer will be many things. Number 1, there are many things around our house. Okay, now come to number 2. We should always keep our dash clean. We should always keep our dash clean. My dear students, we have learned this. We should always keep our surrounding clean. Okay, right, surrounding. What is the spelling of surrounding? SURROUNDING, surrounding. The answer will be surrounding. We should always keep our surrounding clean. Okay, now come to number 3. Always throw dash in the dustbin. My dear students, we have already known that always throw waste in the dustbin. Okay, right, waste. This is our correct answer. Always throw waste in the dustbins. Okay, now come to 4. Number 4, fill in the blanks. A clean surrounding help us to remain dash. My dear students, from our chapter we have learned that a clean surrounding helps us to remain healthy. That means healthy is our correct answer. Here write healthy, HEALTHY, healthy. Okay. Number 4 answer will be healthy. A clean surrounding help us to remain healthy. Now number 5. growing more days keeps our surrounding greener. My dear students, we have learned from our chapter, growing more trees keeps our surrounding greener. Okay, right, tree is our correct answer. Okay, growing more trees, tree keeps our surrounding greener. Now we will solve this part, skill builders. That means look at your book. Can you complete the words to find out what they are? Okay, dear students, let's complete this word. Okay, at first look at the fill in the blanks. P dash O P dash E. What will be? It will be people. Okay, what is the spelling of people? P E. Here will be P. P E O P L E. People. Okay, my dear students, write P E O P L E. People. Now come to here. T R dash dash. We know there will be E E. Okay, that means double E. Tree. T R double E. It will be tree. Okay. Now here, look at here. A N dash M A dash dash. A N. It will be I. A N I M A L S. It will be animals. A N I M A L S. Animals. Now come to here. B U I L D I N G S. Buildings. It will be buildings. B U I L D I N G S. Buildings. Now come to here. V E H I C L E S. Vehicles. It will be vehicles. B E H I C L E S. Vehicles. Now come to here. This is our last topic, and H dash U dash E S. H O U. It will be H O U S E S. Houses. It will be houses. H O U S E S. Houses. My dear students, I am repeating again this exercise from first. At first choose the correct answer. Number 1, everything around us makes up our days. Option here, option A, home, option B, park, option C, surrounding. That means our correct answer is surrounding. We know everything around us makes up our surrounding. Now come to number 2, our neighborhood is our dash. Option A, house, option B, immediate surrounding, option C, school. That means our correct answer is immediate surrounding. We know our neighborhood is our immediate surrounding. And now come to fill in the blanks. Here number 1, fill in the blanks is there are many things around our house. Number 2, we should always keep our surrounding clean. Number 3, always throw waste in the dustbins. Number 4, a clean surrounding help us to remain healthy. Number 5, growing more tree keeps our surrounding greener. And our last topic, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. Complete this word. Okay, completing word T-R-E-E. That means tree. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. It will be animals. And B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G-S, buildings. And V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, it will be vehicles. And last one is H-O-U-S-E-S, it will be houses. Okay, my dear students, here I have given SW. This is SW. This is your first SW, and it will be SW number 1. Your SW will be fill in the blanks and choose the correct answer. This one, that means fill in the blanks and choose the correct answer. And submission date 6 February. That means Saturday. And this is our lecture number 2. My dear students, hope you have understood our today's topic properly. Keep practicing at home and memorize properly our today's topic. And do your SW properly and submit it on due date. Okay, due date. And